Welcome to the world of tomorrow. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 10 mind-blowing inventions that your future self will be using. From virtual personal assistants to self-cleaning surfaces, these inventions are set to change the way we live our lives. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed. We hope that this video not only gives you a glimpse of some of these amazing inventions, but also ignites your imagination to see what is truly possible with the future of technology. If this is your first time visiting Tech Lounge, welcome! We are happy to have you. If you enjoy our content, be sure to like and subscribe as we have new videos coming out every week. Without further ado, sit back, relax, and join us as we embark on a journey to explore the future of technology. In a world where time is of the essence, having a virtual personal assistant can make all the difference. It would be extremely helpful to have a device that not only reminds you of your appointments and to-do list, but also reads your emails, plays your favorite songs, and even orders your groceries for you. That's the power of a virtual personal assistant. Companies like Amazon and Google have already paved the way with their popular devices such as Alexa and Google Assistant. But the potential for advancements in this field is limitless. Imagine a virtual assistant that not only speaks to you, but also understands your emotions and can react accordingly, or a device that can predict your needs before you even ask. These are just some of the possibilities for the future of virtual personal assistants, and we're excited to see where this technology takes us. Get ready to step into a whole new world with augmented reality lenses. These innovative lenses allow you to overlay digital content onto the real world, creating a unique and interactive experience. Imagine trying on clothes without ever stepping foot in a store, or exploring a new city with a virtual tour guide. Your future self will have the world at their fingertips with these lenses. Some companies, like Microsoft, have already created devices such as the HoloLens, which allows users to interact with digital content in a seamless way. But there is still a ton of room for advancement in this sector. We could see lenses that not only overlay content onto the world around us, but also interact with the environment and each other. The future of augmented reality lenses is truly exciting, and we can't wait to see what amazing experiences they'll bring. Welcome to the future of home automation with smart homes. A smart home is a house equipped with advanced technology that can be controlled remotely and can even learn your daily routines and preferences. With the use of smart thermostats, smart lighting, and voice-activated assistants like Amazon's Alexa, smart homes have already revolutionized the way we live. The current state of smart homes is far from complete, however. There have been various cases of bugs and hackings occurring in smart homes. In the coming years, though, there's no doubt that smart homes will be perfected, allowing for a smooth connection between owner and house. Potential for advancements and integration with this technology is quite exciting. Imagine your fridge automatically ordering groceries when supplies run low, or your home security system recognizing you and unlocking the door as you approach. These are just some of the possibilities for the future of smart homes, and we're eager to see what kind of homes we'll be living in within the next decade. Get ready for a delivery revolution with the rise of delivery drones and robots. These unmanned vehicles have already made waves in the industry, with companies like Amazon and UPS testing drone delivery services. Some universities have also begun using these bots for food delivery services to allow for more efficient delivery on campuses. Not only can delivery drones and robots increase the speed and efficiency of delivery services, but they also have the potential to deliver life-saving medical supplies and provide disaster relief. It won't be long before you will be receiving your package within hours of ordering it, or even having your prescription medication delivered to your doorstep without having to leave your home. With advancements in technology, the possibilities for the use of delivery drones and robots are endless, and it will result in a much more efficient society. You'll no longer have to worry about your pizza getting cold as it sits in the back of a delivery car, or your package getting lost in the mail, all thanks to these drones. The philosopher Confucius once said, "The healthy man wants 1,000 things, while the sick man only wants one." Disease and sickness have been plaguing us since the dawn of humanity, and one can only dream of a day when all diseases are extinct. Thankfully, we are one step closer to that goal with the help of personalized medicine. This form of medicine tailors treatments and medications to a patient's specific genetic makeup, resulting in more effective and efficient healthcare. Genetic testing and personalized treatments are already being used to treat diseases like cancer, and as technology advances, we'll see even more potential for personalized medicine. Imagine a world where doctors can accurately predict which medication will work best for you based on your genetic code, reducing the need for trial and error treatments. Personalized medicine will offer immense benefit to society, from more accurate diagnosis to personalized drug therapies, which could potentially cure diseases that were once thought untreatable. Personalized medicine is revolutionizing healthcare as we know it, and we can't wait to see how it continues to transform the medical industry. Have you ever envisioned what it'd be like to travel from one city to another in just a matter of minutes? Well, get ready to experience the future of transportation with Hyperloop technology. Hyperloop Transportation is a system of tubes that can transport people or goods at incredible speeds through a vacuum-sealed tube. These transporters can reach speeds of up to 800 miles per hour, allowing passengers to get from New York to Los Angeles in a mere 45 minutes. Several companies are already working on developing Hyperloop technology, specifically Virgin Hyperloop. The company completed its first ever test run back in 2020. They are now in the process of gaining safety certification. Once that is completed, Virgin aims to have the Hyperloop up and running by 2030. The future is coming, and Hyperloop transportation is just around the corner. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on this exciting technology and for other innovations in transportation that are bound to change the world as we know it. Gone are the days where clothes are designed solely for style or comfort. Imagine if clothing could monitor your health or change colors according to your mood. Well, the future is here with smart clothing. This high-tech clothing is not only stylish but also functional, providing real-time data on your health and wellness. It's a game changer for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike, allowing them to monitor their performance and adjust on the go. And let's not forget about the fashion industry. Smart clothing has the potential to revolutionize the way we shop with virtual try-ons and personalized styling options. Your future self will not have to worry about ruining their new silk coat in the rain, as there will be coats that adjust to the elements outdoors, allowing for adaptability in all types of weather. Food scientists are currently working to create a way you can enjoy a juicy burger without harming any animals or the environment. This feat is becoming closer and closer to fruition thanks to clean meat. This form of meat is created by acquiring animal cells through biopsy, then growing the cells in a lab. I know, this may sound strange to the average meat consumer, but as laboratory meat advances, there will soon be a day where you will not even be able to taste the difference between lab meat and natural meat. With companies like Memphis Meats and Just leading the way, clean meat is becoming more of a reality every day. This technology has potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and prevent the spread of diseases that can be transmitted from animals to humans. Whether you're a vegetarian, environmentalist, or simply looking for a healthier and more ethical way to consume meat, clean meat has the ability to transform the food industry as we know it. The potential benefits it holds for humans and the planet cannot be overlooked. Imagine looking into a mirror and not only seeing your reflection, but also being able to try on different outfits, experiment with makeup looks, and even monitor your health. Smart mirrors are more than just a simple reflection. They incorporate cutting-edge technology to provide a realistic view of yourself in different scenarios or with different features. Many smart mirrors are already in the works, with companies such as Tonal providing customers with the ability to use smart mirrors for virtual home workouts. It is only a matter of time until this technology is taken one step further, with smart mirrors being able to provide the convenience of seeing how clothes look on you without ever having to step into a fitting room, or experimenting with how different makeup looks without actually having to apply anything to your face. possibly most exciting, you could see how different hairstyles look before you take the risk of getting it cut. With smart mirrors, these benefits will be the norm for your future self. Get ready to be amazed by the possibilities of smart mirrors and how they could change the way we see ourselves. Prepare to say goodbye to cleaning woes with this latest technology. Surprisingly enough, self-cleaning surfaces have been around for quite some time now, with the first instance of it being seen in 1995 with transparent titanium dioxide, a type of film that allowed glass to clean itself. However, these surfaces have yet to become widely available at the commercial level. In the near future though, it will be no surprise to see self-cleaning countertops, toilets, ovens, and even dishes. Bid farewell to harsh cleaning chemicals and laborious cleaning methods. You'll no longer have to worry about your mum yelling at you to come downstairs and wash the dishes thanks to this handy technology. Self-cleaning surfaces not only simplifies cleaning, but also makes it eco-friendly. We can't wait to see how self-cleaning surfaces revolutionizes cleaning and how it will make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or simply someone who is curious about the future, we hope this video has offered you a glimpse into the exciting world of cutting-edge technology that will begin to transform our lives in the coming years. So, what are you waiting for? Let's explore the world of technology together and see where it takes us next. Keep learning, stay curious, and always be ready to embrace the future. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Lounge. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on all things tech.